The Opener Blackfly is a revolutionary electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed for personal transportation. Developed by Opener, a pioneering company in the eVTOL industry, Blackfly is a single-seat, all-electric vehicle that combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of an airplane. With a range of 25 miles and a top speed of 62 miles per hour, Blackfly is perfect for short-distance commutes and recreational flights. Its compact design and quiet operation make it ideal for urban environments. Blackfly features a simple and intuitive control system, allowing users to fly with ease. With a rechargeable battery and minimal maintenance requirements, Blackfly is an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional aircraft. Opener has successfully completed numerous test flights and is working towards certification and commercial availability. The Lift aircraft is a cutting-edge, electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed for recreational and personal flight. Developed by Lift Aircraft Inc., this single-seat, all-electric vehicle boasts a range of 15 miles and a top speed of 60 miles per hour. Its compact design and quiet operation make it perfect for urban and natural environments. The Lift aircraft features a unique hexacopter configuration, providing stability and control. With a rechargeable battery and minimal maintenance requirements, it's an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional aircraft. The aircraft is designed for simplicity, with an intuitive control system and autonomous features. Lift Aircraft Inc. has successfully completed test flights and is working towards certification and commercial availability. Experience the thrill of personal flight with the Lift aircraft, a pioneering innovation in the eVTOL industry, offering a new dimension of freedom and adventure. The UDX Airwolf hoverbike is a revolutionary, electric-powered hoverbike that combines the thrill of a motorcycle with the freedom of flight. Developed by UDY, this cutting-edge vehicle uses advanced ducted fan technology to generate lift and propulsion, allowing it to hover and glide above the ground. With a top speed of 60 miles per hour and a range of 30 miles, the Airwolf is perfect for recreational and adventure seekers. Its compact design and quiet operation make it suitable for urban and natural environments. The Airwolf features a sturdy, lightweight frame and an intuitive control system, allowing riders to easily navigate and maneuver. Safety features include multiple redundancies and a protective cage. UDY has successfully tested the Airwolf and is working towards commercial availability. Experience the ultimate rush with the UDY Airwolf hoverbike, a game-changing innovation in personal flight and transportation. The Aeromobile 5.0 is a pioneering flying car that seamlessly combines the freedom of a car with the thrill of an airplane. This innovative vehicle features a sleek, aerodynamic design and advanced technology, allowing it to transform from a car to an aircraft in minutes. With a top speed of 150 miles per hour on land and 200 miles per hour in the air, the Aeromobile 5.0 offers unparalleled versatility. The Aeromobile 5.0 has a range of 460 miles and can carry 2 passengers. Its compact design and quiet operation make it suitable for urban and natural environments. With its ability to take off and land vertically, this flying car eliminates the need for runways, making it perfect for personal transportation, adventure seekers, and emergency services. Experience the future of transportation with the Aeromobile 5.0. The Volo Region is a cutting-edge, electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL helicopter aircraft designed for urban air mobility. Developed by Volocopter, this innovative vehicle features a sleek, futuristic design and advanced technology, allowing for safe and efficient transportation. With a range of 25 miles and a top speed of 62 miles per hour, the Volo Region is perfect for short-distance commutes and aerial tour. The Volo Region has a capacity for 2 passengers and features advanced safety features like multiple redundancies and emergency landing protocols. With its ease of use and impressive performance, the Volo Region is poised to revolutionize urban air mobility, offering a sustainable and exciting transportation solution for cities worldwide. Volocopter is working towards certification and commercial availability. The Martin Jetpack is a revolutionary, wearable aircraft designed for personal flight. Developed by Martin Aircraft, this innovative vehicle uses ducted fans to generate lift and propulsion, allowing individuals to fly safely and efficiently. With a top speed of 45 miles per hour and a range of 30 miles, the Martin Jetpack is perfect for recreational flying, search and rescue, and military applications. Its compact design and lightweight materials make it easy to wear and operate, while advanced safety features like a ballistic parachute and impact protection ensure a secure flight experience. The Martin Jetpack has undergone successful test flights and is working towards certification and commercial availability. This game-changing aircraft has the potential to transform personal transportation, emergency response, and military operations, offering a new dimension of freedom and capability. With its ease of use and impressive performance, the Martin Jetpack is poised to revolutionize the aviation industry and beyond. The Jet Suit Race is an exhilarating, high-speed competition where athletes wear a wearable jet engine suit, known as the jet suit, to fly through a challenging, obstacle-laden course. Developed by Gravity Industries, the jet suit uses mini turbojet engines to generate thrust, allowing competitors to reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour and altitudes of 15 feet. The Jet Suit Race has gained popularity worldwide, with events held in various locations, including the UK, USA, and UAE. This innovative sport combines elements of motorsport, aviation, and athletics, pushing the boundaries of human flight and competition. With its unique blend of technology, speed, and agility, the Jet Suit Race is an electrifying experience for comp. The Orb Nomad is a cutting-edge, single-seat helicopter designed for personal transportation and adventure. This innovative aircraft features a compact, lightweight design and advanced technology, allowing for safe and efficient flight. With a top speed of 100 miles per hour and a range of 200 miles, the Orb Nomad is perfect for short-distance commutes, aerial tour, and recreational flying. Its unique, spherical design provides exceptional stability and maneuverability, while the advanced autopilot system ensures a smooth and secure flight experience. The Orb Nomad also features a quiet, electric-powered propulsion system, making it environmentally friendly and suitable for urban environments. Its unique, spherical design provides exceptional stability and maneuverability, while the advanced autopilot system ensures a smooth and secure flight experience.